Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fill the invite bar within Monopoly Go. This works for iOS as well as for Android. So first of all, within Monopoly Go you need to tap on friends in the right hand corner of your screen, and then tap on invite in the bottom of your screen. And here you can see that you can invite friends and they get rewards when they join. So as you see, when you invite one friend, you get 20 dices. When you invite 3 friends, you get 60 dices. When you invite 6 friends, you get 100 dices. And to fill this, you get this silver Monopoly thing, and you get 150 dices. So you just need to get 10 friends to join Monopoly Go. You can just spam this link, your invite link, just over the internet. It, of course, doesn't have to be friends. So it's very easy. Just go to this, or even what you can do is you can get multiple phones, or get them your old phones, and just create an account on your old phone, or you can create new accounts on your phone just by deleting the game and logging out, and then tapping the link. You also can connect your Facebook or your contacts to get more dices, and in the end fill your invite bar. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.